Just when you think you've got enough kayaks,
you don't.
Because you can never have enough kayaks.
I've got an opportunity to purchase a sea kayak for a family member, and just like car guys like buying cars, kayakers like buying kayaks.
Now, you're going to have to do a road trip on your own. You going to be okay?
I'm going to be okay.
Well, buying kayaks, it's just part of our sea kayak life.
So I'm out shopping for a sea kayak today for a family member. She asked me if I would help her find a good sea kayak, and yeah, I said, sure I will. And it would be great if we could find one just like my Dagger Atlantis or something close. So I start looking on the internet, and this guy's got a Dagger Atlantis listed on Facebook Marketplace, and it's just a couple hours from my house. So I'm going off to take a look at it, and it looked in good shape from the pictures, but we'll see. And if the price is right, that's one more Dagger Atlantis in the family.
The kayak that Mark is looking to buy is just like his 20-year-old Atlantis by Dagger. This boat is 17 feet long with a built-in rudder. We like this kayak because it's good for beginners and more advanced kayakers alike. It has excellent stability, good maneuverability, and is extremely rugged. Mark's road trip is one of many that we've made in search of kayaks.
I feel like I'm on an episode of Catfish. I don't see a sea kayak. Let's see what we do see. Oh, here we go.
Some of the things we look for when buying a used boat is how the kayak was stored, the condition of the bulkheads,
The bulkheads look in good shape.
proper movement of the rudder and pedals, and ensuring that the hull is free from severe dents or warping.
So it's in really good shape. I like it. So I'm gonna see if we can talk about price a little, and hopefully he'll come down a little bit and we'll have a deal. Well, I guess any day you come home with a sea kayak is a good day. Now let's just get this back home.
Hey, what's the word?
The word is, I bought it.
I'm good.
I did. It's in really good shape.
Well, that's good.
Well, that worked out really good. I got that kayak for a great price. And the guy threw in a paddle and a spray skirt and a hoist from his garage.
Gotcha.
But yeah, you know, truthfully, it's pretty typical when people sell a kayak. They're sometimes just looking to get out of it altogether. So he wanted to get rid of everything, and he just gave it to me. And stuff like that would probably cost a couple $100, maybe a little more if you're going out buying it separately. So I think, you know, in the next week or two, I'll take it out in the lake and paddle it and roll it and, you know, just put it through its paces just to make sure. But
Gotcha.
I had a good time, and I'm ready to head home.
So when's the last time you think this thing was paddled?
It's been a while, I'm pretty sure. I don't think the guy that had it has paddled it at all.
So what do you think needs to be done?
Not a lot, I don't think, but the bungees are a mess.
Yeah.
That's not too hard. It's got a hurricane hatch on the front, and
Right.
I don't think it needs it. I don't think it's standard. I know it didn't need it on mine. The seat doesn't have, like, there's bolts here, but they're not connected. So the seat's just sitting in here loose. That
Gotcha.
shouldn't be too hard to fix. The rudder box looks okay, but it's missing some mounting hardware.
What are those straps?
They're like for self-rescue, but it shouldn't need it. Like if we get the bungees right, then you won't need that.
Okay. All right, let's get started.
All spiffied up, let's drop it in the water and take it for a test drive.
Yeah, it feels pretty good.
Well, that's about as good as it gets. Man, that boat looks really good.
I know, and I kind of don't want to give it away now. Like, it came out so nice. Like, maybe we could just keep it.
Could we?
I mean, we could.
Would she even know the difference?
I don't know. We'll have to figure this out.
Okay, we'll figure this out later. It's all part of our sea kayak life.
Hey, thanks for watching. Please help us grow our channel by subscribing and giving a like. We really appreciate your support. And check out these two adventures.